Hey everyone, welcome back to Body Balance Bliss. Today, we're diving into one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. You've probably heard this saying a million times, but it's true, breakfast sets the tone for the rest of your day. Whether you're looking to boost your energy levels, improve your focus, or even support your fitness goals, the right breakfast can make all the difference. In this video, I'll be sharing some of my favorite healthy breakfast ideas that are perfect for all types of mornings, whether you're in a rush, looking for something light, or craving a more substantial meal. These ideas are all packed with nutrients to help you start your day right, so stay tuned as we explore a variety of options to fuel your body and mind. Why breakfast matters. Before we jump into specific breakfast ideas, let's talk about why breakfast is so important. Starting your day with the right nutrients can have a powerful impact on how you feel, how you function, and how you perform throughout the day. Boosts metabolism. Eating breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. When you skip breakfast, your body can go into starvation mode, slowing down metabolism to conserve energy. Increases energy levels. A nutritious breakfast provides your body with glucose, the fuel your brain and muscles need to get through the morning. If you feel sluggish or find it hard to concentrate before lunch, breakfast could be the missing link. Improves focus and concentration. Our brains need fuel to function at their best. Studies show that people who eat breakfast perform better cognitively and are more focused and alert during the day. Helps maintain a healthy weight. Eating a healthy breakfast can actually help regulate hunger hormones, preventing overeating later in the day. Skipping breakfast often leads to intense hunger, which can cause poor food choices or overeating at lunch or dinner. Breakfast isn't just about filling your stomach, it's about providing your body with the energy and nutrients it needs to thrive. What makes a healthy breakfast? When it comes to building a healthy breakfast, the key is balance. A healthy breakfast should include a combination of complex carbohydrates. These provide slow-burning energy, helping you stay fuller for longer. Think whole grains, oats, fruits, and vegetables. Protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and maintenance. It also helps keep you full and can stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Good sources include eggs, yogurt, nuts, and seeds. Healthy fats. Don't be afraid of fats. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and seeds can provide long-lasting energy and are essential for brain function. Fiber. Foods rich in fiber, like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, help with digestion and keep you feeling satisfied. Vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruits, veggies, and even fortified cereals can provide essential vitamins and minerals that support your immune system, metabolism, and overall health. A balanced breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. With the right ingredients, you can build a nutritious and delicious meal that supports your health goals and sets you up for a productive day. Energizing breakfasts for busy mornings. Let's be real, most of us don't have time to prepare an elaborate breakfast every morning. Between rushing to work, school, or the gym, it can be tempting to skip breakfast altogether. But even on the busiest days, you can still enjoy a nutritious meal that fuels your body. Grab-and-go options. Think about portable, easy-to-prepare breakfasts like yogurt, fruit, nuts, or whole grain toast. These require minimal prep time but still pack a nutritional punch. Meal prep breakfast. If you know your mornings are always rushed, consider preparing your breakfast the night before. Overnight oats or chia pudding are great examples of meals that can be prepped in advance and are ready to eat when you wake up. Just because you're short on time doesn't mean you have to sacrifice a healthy breakfast. These quick and easy options will give you the energy boost you need to power through your busy mornings. Energizing breakfasts for active lifestyles. For those with active lifestyles, breakfast is especially important. Whether you're hitting the gym in the morning or getting ready for a long day of outdoor activities, you need to fuel your body with the right nutrients to perform at your best. Pre-workout breakfast. If you're someone who works out in the morning, you'll want a light, easily digestible breakfast that gives you energy without weighing you down. Foods rich in complex carbs like whole grains and fruit are great for this. Post-workout breakfast. After a workout, it's crucial to refuel your muscles with protein and replenish glycogen stores with healthy carbs. A protein-rich breakfast like scrambled eggs with veggies or a smoothie can help repair muscle and boost recovery. Breakfast for mental clarity and focus. We've all had those days where it feels impossible to focus, no matter how much coffee we drink. What you may not realize is that your breakfast plays a huge role in mental clarity and cognitive function. If you're someone who spends long hours studying, working, or problem-solving, a brain-boosting breakfast can help. Brain-boosting ingredients include omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, antioxidants, from berries and dark leafy greens, and complex carbs, like oats and whole grains, to fuel your brain. Balanced energy. Eating a balanced breakfast that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats can help prevent energy crashes and keep your focus sharp throughout the morning. Your brain needs fuel just as much as your body. Eating the right breakfast can improve your focus, memory, and overall cognitive function, so you can tackle whatever challenges come your way. Heart-healthy breakfast ideas. Heart health is something we should all be mindful of, and breakfast is a great opportunity to nourish your body with heart-healthy foods. By incorporating ingredients that support cardiovascular health, you can reduce your risk of heart disease and improve overall well-being. Nutrient-focused foods rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants can help protect your heart. Think whole grains, nuts, seeds, and fruits that are high in vitamins and minerals. Cholesterol-friendly ingredients. Incorporate foods that help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, such as oats, which contain beta-glucan, flax seeds, and avocados. Heart health starts with the choices we make every day. By choosing a nutritious breakfast, you're giving your heart the support it needs to keep beating strong. Plant-based breakfast ideas. For all my plant-based viewers out there, or those just looking to reduce their intake of animal products, I've got some fantastic plant-based breakfast ideas that are both delicious and packed with nutrients. Protein without meat. Many people worry that they won't get enough protein on a plant-based diet, but there are so many great sources of plant protein to include in your breakfast. Think beans, lentils, tofu, nuts, and seeds. Nutrient-rich choices. Plant-based breakfasts can be filled with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants from a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Whether you're fully plant-based or just looking to incorporate more plant foods into your diet, breakfast is the perfect place to start. It's easier than you think to build a nutritious, filling meal with plant-based ingredients. Fuel your day with a healthy breakfast. And there you have it, my favorite healthy breakfast ideas to kickstart your day. Remember, breakfast is more than just a meal, it's an opportunity to nourish your body and mind. Whether you're looking for something quick and easy or a breakfast that fuels your workout, there's something out there for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Body Balance Bliss for more health and wellness tips. Let me know in the comments below what your go-to breakfast is. I'd love to hear from you.